Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign into YouTube on your smart TV using the QR code. This method is quick and doesn't require typing anything on your TV. First, open the YouTube app on your smart TV. When it asks you to sign in, choose the option that shows a QR code on the screen. Next, grab your phone. This works on both Android and iPhone. Open your phone's camera and point it at the QR code shown on your TV. A link will pop up on your phone, tap it and it will open YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. After that, tap continue then allow access when asked. Your TV will refresh and your YouTube account will appear. Select your profile and you're done. That's how you scan a YouTube QR code on a smart TV, simple and fast. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.